Hey there, curious minds! Today we're diving into a fascinating showdown: human-made technology versus nature-evolved processes. Who does it better when it comes to energy efficiency? Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride through science, evolution, and some surprising facts that might just blow your mind. All right, let's kick things off with a simple question. What's more energy efficient? A power plant or a plant like, the green kind? At first glance, you might think, hey, a power plant generates tons of energy. It's got to be more efficient, right? But hold on. Nature's little green machines, plants, have been perfecting the art of photosynthesis for over 3 billion years. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sunlight into chemical energy. It's like the ultimate solar panel, and it does this with remarkable efficiency. In fact, some plants can convert up to 6% of the sunlight they receive into usable energy. Compare that to your average solar panel, which converts about 15 to 20% of sunlight into electricity. But after considering the energy needed to manufacture, install, and maintain those panels, you might start giving plants a bit more respect. But let's switch gears for a moment, literally. What about transportation? Are humans really better at building efficient movers and shakers than nature? Picture this: a car, sleek and fast, cruising down the highway at 70 miles per hour. Pretty efficient, right? Well, kind of. Your average internal combustion engine is only about 25 to 30% efficient. That means a whopping 70 to 75% of the energy from the fuel just goes to waste as heat. Ouch! Now let's take a look at our feathered friends, birds. Some species of birds can fly thousands of miles during migration without stopping. Their energy efficiency is off the charts. A bird in flight is so aerodynamic and so optimized for energy use that it's like comparing a Prius to a gas-guzzling monster truck. Nature for the win! For instance, let's talk about data processing. Your brain is amazing. It's a squishy 3-pound supercomputer that can handle billions of calculations per second. But here's the catch. It's not all that efficient in memory. The brain consumes about 20% of your body's energy while at rest. That's a lot for something that often makes you forget where you put your keys. Now compare that to a computer. Modern processors can handle trillions of operations per second and do so using just a fraction of the energy your brain requires. Imagine your brain is a light bulb. Well, your computer is a laser beam. Focused, efficient, and incredibly powerful. So in this round, humans have the edge in energy efficiency for reasoning tasks, but fall short in memory and storage. Now let's talk about lighting. Bioluminescence is cool and all. Fireflies lighting up a summer night, deep sea creatures glowing in the dark. But when it comes to efficiency, our human-made LED lights are the true rock stars. LEDs convert a huge percentage of energy into light, with very little waste. In contrast, nature's glowing critters often waste a lot of energy in the process of producing light. So, while bioluminescence gets points for style, LEDs win for efficiency. All right, last but not least, material strength. Nature's got bones, wood and shells, pretty strong stuff. But then we humans went and invented carbon fiber composites. These materials are incredibly strong, lightweight, and more energy efficient to produce and use than anything nature has come up with. Imagine trying to build an airplane out of bone. It just wouldn't work. Carbon fiber, on the other hand, is the backbone, pun intended, of modern aeronautics. Score another one for humans. So what's the takeaway here? Is nature better or are we? The truth is, it depends on what you're looking at. Nature has had millions of years to perfect certain processes, making them incredibly efficient. But in some areas, like data processing, lighting, and material science, humans have developed technologies that surpass what evolution has come up with. But here's the real kicker. Often, the most efficient human-made technologies are those that take inspiration from nature. Biomimicry, as it's called, is the practice of learning from and mimicking nature's best ideas to solve human problems. It's like admitting that nature is the ultimate R&D department, and sometimes it's just better to copy off the smartest kid in class. So, whether it's plants versus power plants, birds versus cars, or bioluminescence versus LEDs, it's clear that both nature and human ingenuity have their strengths. And by combining the best of both worlds, we can create a future that's not just efficient, but also sustainable. Thanks for joining me on this energy-efficient journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning everything.